fine.
You sure?
Yes.
You seem reluctant.
Well,
I don't want to make you sad.
My high school.
Sentimental.
The sentimental value.
It's from high
Okay.
school.
Nice weather, huh?
Yeah, compared to yesterday's.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's perfect. I thought it was going to be nasty.
Yesterday we were having
Sure.
hailstorms and
Did you actually get hail down here?
yes.
Oh, wow. We didn't get any hail. I heard it was coming, but I never saw it.
It came down like a tornado was blowing through, and it was about that size.
Oh.
The back of my porch was covered. I had to take pictures, and
Jeez.
luckily it passed. It lasted about 40 minutes.
Jeez. Yeah, that's scary. Oh, this is cool. Through your little rock art. How much is that? My kids will love that. No touch key. Oh, I see. Yeah. $2.
You must not be from around here.
Now, is that a cow?
Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah.
Now, how can you tell?
Because you said down here.
Down, yeah, it's a bit of a haul. It was further than I expected. I'm not that far away, but... Denise, is that your name?
Yeah, everybody likes to get mugs.
This
I
is
don't even
cool.
drink coffee.
Where'd you get these? These are cool.
I got those from actually Bed Bath & Beyond.
Those are neat.
I used them for a bruncheon party I had gave for my cousin when she was for a wedding. She was like, let's not do the traditional bridal shower.
Yeah.
Let's do a brunch. And she's like, oh yeah, I like that better. So I made mimosas and everything.
That's sounds fun. How much is your glove here?
$2.
Yeah. Packing bags. Washable project paint. You do $1 on this?
Yeah, that's fine.
Up to $5. Here's a 5.
All right. Thank you. You want a bag, sweetie?
No, I'm good.
All right.
Thank you, though.
Thank you.
Hey, good luck with your sale.
Thank you very much.
You too. Morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Good. Just got a couple things left, huh?
Yeah, went fast and quick.
This scrap looks kind of cool. How much is your scrapbooking stuff?
We've just been doing like a quarter.
A quarter? I'll grab a couple. So 4 for $1.
There you go.
I'll do those ones. Now we're really getting all your stuff gone.
It's all right. Good. Thank you so much.
All right, thanks.
You drop.
I think maybe a Home Depot receipt.
Maybe.
If that was mine, maybe. A lot of baskets.
We'll give it a try. We'll give it another try and see what.
Sure.
How you doing?
Good, man. How are you doing?
Good.
Good.
These are a pretty good deal, $2. I've never heard of some of these brands, so kind of want this Dakota Grizzly and that. Bass, Crafton Arrow. Like really? Are these any good, y'all? American Rag. I don't know if anything. Callaway.
Yeah. Well, it's like, it's good to have if you ever have a second place or you need somebody or you need to go somewhere and not use yours. I don't know. That's what I was contemplating whether I get rid of it or not, but.
Maybe that.
Okay.
Let's see anything else.
Hey guys, how are ya? Hey.
How much are your DVDs? He's talking somewhere.
You sign on the other side. 25 cents each.
Okay. Ah. Oops. $2. 5.
No. Dollar for all? No.
I give you
Fine. How you
Alright,
doing?
good. So that was 3.
Okay.
And then quarter, so that's $2 there.
Okay.
That's 5. And I think these are 2, 4, 6. Would you just do 10 instead of 11?
Yep.
Okay. $20. That's kind of cool.
Then you have to go on a walk with me so we can look at which trees do you like. So,
Yeah. What happened to him?
he had a few to do. I told him, that was your plan all along. I was like, that was the lamest walk ever. I didn't exercise at all. So you go home and I'm walking. I really am going to go exercise. All right, bye. And I'll check out yours too.
I did too. I did too. It was like halfway down the thing. I was like, you did a great job.
A lot of girly movies. Probably could do well in a bundle. A puzzle.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you guys work with her there. And she has passion for it. Like they. Oh, yeah.
So I know she does it. I don't know what her passion is.
Oh.
Would you guys do 15 on your JVC stereo thing?
I would have 20. It's fine.
You sure?
Yes.
You seem reluctant. I don't
Well,
want to make you sad.
My high school.
Sentimental. It's
The sentimental value.
It's from high
Okay.
school.
That's worth this much, right? Sentimental's worth this much.
It was that one thing like I wanted and it was so expensive and I begged my father.
Actually, do you have 5 back? Or...
Yeah, I do.
You've had it all these years. I'd say you got your money's worth out of that value.
Yeah, there you go.
It was like $700.
Was it really?
High school.
Oh, wow. All right, well, thank you.
Thank you.
$1. Yep. Take a phone too. Whoever's phone it was.
Oh,
Yeah. I like old electronics. I have a thing. Hey guys, thank you for coming with me on those sales. I think we had a pretty good time. We found some good stuff, so I hope you enjoyed it. Just to talk really quickly about what I got at those sales. But yeah, so to start off, I got these scrapbooks, which might have you scratching your head, but vintage scrapbooks like this, especially brand new, do well. This is like a real old school one. People have been scrapbooking for a long time, might want this exact same one. I listed this one already, and I listed it for 30 bucks. It's got a few sold comps for 30 bucks, so we'll see how that does. It might have been 25, right around there, and the blue one also listed for 25 or 30 bucks. So should get 50 bucks out of those 50 cents. The other two weren't really worth anything, but you know, it's 4 for $1, and I didn't want to give quarters. And then I went to the sale where I bought a bunch of DVDs. I won't even say the name of the show, so I don't get flagged as inappropriate, but this show, that's actually a different one I had, but I actually bought from that sale, I think 7, which was seasons 1 through 5, or 1 through 6, but season 6 has 2 DVD sets. Bundled all those together, listed them for $19.99 on eBay. So that should make me some good money. And then I also, at that sale, got the doggy pee pad thingy. Actually went back for those because I wasn't sure if they were worth anything. So I did look those ones up, and it looked like they go for around $25 plus shipping. So I grabbed those for $5. And then the clothes, I don't know anything about clothes. I keep just trying to buy them to learn slowly about clothes. I'm not a professional clothes buyer, though. Don't follow my lead when it comes to clothing. This I just bought because I thought it was funny and had the tag on it. So yeah, bought a couple clothes. We'll see how they do. I'm not sure yet. I did get the Crafts paint. Looks like that comped out at around 15 to 20 bucks actually. So that was a pretty good buy. I've already listed that. And then I bought a bat. I don't usually buy bats, but I know a lot of people flip them, and it looked like a nice one. It was a big, hardy Easton bat, like an XL. I looked it up just now, and I'm not 100% sure I found the right one, but it actually looked like it was comping out at around $50. So I think this might have been actually a really good buy at $3. So that's good. Slowly dipping my toe in the water with the sports stuff. It's not really my genre at all, but I think I did okay on that one. And then much more in my wheelhouse, I got a old school stereo. This is a JVC, and it's got a CD player, it's got a cassette player down there, it's got the remote, it's got the speakers. Really cool. The lady said she paid $7.50 for it in high school. So it's not $7.50 anymore. I think it's worth around $150 with all these components, so that'll be a good flip. And then I also bought another electronic. What was it? Oh yeah, these telephones. I'm charging these up right now to make sure they work, but they were only $1. I'd be shocked if I don't get 25 to 30 for them, so those were a good buy as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for coming. If you want to learn more about how much I sell everything for, check out my NC Flipper channel. I don't want to repeat that all the time, but just remind you that I do have another channel where I talk about what everything's sold for. So thanks for watching. See you next time.